So this is annoying. If you are a Mac user and you click on an email link, sometimes it'll just pop open your Mail app, which I don't use because I use Gmail. So the way to get around that is to open up Gmail in another browser window. So I've got Gmail back here, and in Chrome, you will see these two diamonds, which you can click, and you can allow mail.google.com to open all email links. So let's allow that. Click Done. Now when I go back to Audible, it loads my Gmail. Hopefully that was useful for you. If it was, please hit the thumbs up, and for more videos like this, please subscribe.